I had help ordering these sports car racing DVDs. These DVDs are from the 1980s and the Region Pal Zero DVDs. Here's the back of the DVDs. This one is from 1984. This one is from 1985. This one is from 1986. This one is from 1987. And this one is from 1988. Here's the one from 1987. Until next time, bye-bye. This DVD is from 1984. Sports car racing. Here's the back of the box. It's Region Pal Zero Norwegians. Hope the DVDs all work. Like the videos. Comment and subscribe. Till next time, bye-bye. This one is from 1985, 86, 87, and 1988. I hope they all work. Yesterday, I ordered a USB flash drive, a 256 gigabyte one, a SanDisk one, and that's the end of this video. Till next time, bye-bye.